Hello people, this is day 23 of the Lego City Advent Calendar, so it's been time. Ouch. Ow. It's a Christmas. It's a Christmas tree. Just like last year's. Wow. I take these two pieces and then you take that piece, and this piece, put it there, where I put them. Blue one on one side, red one diagonal from it, across from it. Then you take a brown piece, and then you put that, and that. This time it's red across from the blue, and then yellow on the other side. Red. There. And you take another brown piece, and then last run through. There. It's another red. And I'm going to make it a blue, because really you can put the ornaments wherever you want. This is like the only one you don't have to follow the instructions. Then you put like that, and then I'm going to put it on the rug, because most people put their Christmas tree under a rug. Okay, come back tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Goodbye.